This will be a demo of a 2019 C300. Congrats to all the stream people who earned one. So we'll start with the door. You have your seat adjustments right here. When you get good and comfortable, to save your seat, you just click M and then whatever number you want to save it as. Power windows are right here. Bottom button right here is a child's lock for the rear windows. Left and right mirror, and then this is to adjust them. And then the top button will fold your mirrors in when pulling into a tight space. Down here you have your park release button right there. Trunk release button right there. And then your lights are going to be right here. I recommend just keeping it in auto. You'll never have to adjust it. Turn signal, light tap up is 3 flashes for a lane switch. Hard pull until you feel a click is continuous. The dotted lines right here are for your automatic windshield wipers. They're rain sensing, so they'll keep up with whatever the hardest rain is. I would recommend rain sensing 2 right there. Silver button right here is for your wiper fluid in the front. And then if you pull it towards you, it's going to flash your brights. If you push it away, it'll keep them on continuously. And then below that, we have our steering wheel adjustment, up, down, in, and out. And then we'll attack the steering wheel. So you have 2 touch pads on each side of the steering wheel. The left-hand side right here is going to be for this screen. Right-hand side will be for this screen over here. And you have home buttons and back buttons for each of your touch pads. So when you click the home button, it brings up your different menus right here, and you can swipe right and left to go through your different menus or settings. I'll just click into trip with your touchpad, and then down below that you have your cruise control. So tab up would be to turn it on, and then tab up with your set button will start at whatever mile an hour you're driving at, and then you can increase and decrease speed with your set lever right here. You have a zoom over here, and then cancel would be a tab down, and then off would be a tab down over here. On the right hand side, again, home buttons and back buttons are over here. We can click into here, we just click the back button, and swipe right and left with this touchpad. Voice command button will be a tab up, favorites tab down, volume up and down right here, and if you click it, it's also a mute button. Tab up would be to answer a phone call, tab down would be to hang up. And then down here, we have our dynamic select. So this is going to be your driving mode when you flip this lever up and down, whatever mode you want to go in. Every time you start the car, it will start in comfort mode, just as a heads up. This is your automatic stop start, so when you come to a stop, the car will shut off, and when you hit the gas, it comes back on. Basically, it saves gas and better for the environment. You have another back button right here, and another home button over here. And then this is going to be your command wheel. So you can spin your command wheel like this. You can also push it up, down, left, and right to navigate through your screen. And then when you want to select something, you simply just click the wheel like that. It'll go into the radio for you. The power button basically just turns on and off the screen. And then this this volume button right here, roll this up and down, same functionality as your steering wheel. Let this load. Click back. We'll start with the radio. When you click into radio, it shows your source at the top. If you want to switch your source, you just see your tabs over here to the right here. All you have to do is swipe to the right with your touchpad, or you can use your wheel. If we push to the right, it also brings them out as well. You have your presets in here. Radio source would be where you can switch the source. And to save a preset, very simple. You just go to the channel you want. Let's say we want to use this one. And then you push down and hold, and then it saves your preset for you, and it will also beep. Next is media. This is where you can play music from your phone to the car using Bluetooth. And then phone is where you can hook up your phone to Bluetooth and make phone calls, stuff like that. Very simple to use. You just click into phone, and then you want to go to the settings on your phone and click into Bluetooth. And we'll click start search right here. Your phone will pop up right there. You click it with your command wheel on the screen, and then you'll get a number that pops up on your phone to press pair, and then you'll be good to go. To the right of that, we have Connect, which is basically the new app for 2019, Mercedes Me Connect. You got to remote start your car from your phone, as well as lock and unlock the car. I'm going to have to get you guys into the system when I get back to the dealership, so I'll give you guys my email number. You can just send me an email saying you want to get set up with the app, and I'll give you the information you need to get set up. And then we'll click back out of here, and then you have vehicle settings. Vehicle settings, you dynamic select, same thing as your lever right here. I would just use that. Assistance is going to be all your safety equipment. Consumption shows how efficient you're driving. Your light settings are going to be right here. So daytime running lights, locator light, your switch off is down here. And then below that you have vehicle settings. Click into there. Belt adjustment will be when you put your seatbelt on, you'll feel it tighten up a little bit and loosen. It's basically reading your body in case you do get into an accident. Acoustic lock, I'll turn that on. That will make a beep when you lock the car. Automatic mirror folding, when you lock the car, they will fold in. Automatic door lock will be when you get to 10 miles per hour. It's going to lock the entire car. And trunk lid restriction, you don't need that. It's on SUVs. Easy entry and exit will make it easier for you to get in and out of the car. And then you can also open up your rear view camera if you ever need to clean it. And the last thing in here is going to be system. So this is just going to be all very small settings within the display screen. Displays and designs, you can change the mode. You can put it in sport, classic, it'll change the colors of the screen. Input is the sensitivity of your touchpads. Audio is just your sound settings. Connectivity is Wi-Fi. And Bluetooth, obviously, we want to have on right there. Time and date, you can adjust it right here. And then some other small settings down here at the bottom. And I'll run through these air controls real quick. You have your temperature up and down right here. This is your direction of your fan. This is the speed of your fan. Auto, same as any other car. Max defroster for the front right here. Rear defroster. Sync will make it so both temperatures are the same on each side of the car. This is to recycle air within the car, and then this is your AC button down here. These are also shortcuts down here. These buttons right there. If you ever want to just jump right to radio, we click that, takes us right to it. Makes it nice and easy. And we'll go over the buttons up top real quick. This lever right here is for your sunroof. So when you open that up manually, click it back right there, it's going to open up for you. I'm just going to close it back. This is going to be for your sunglasses. And then your lights or reading light. This is when you have the doors open, the lights will come on. If you click that, the lights will be off inside the car. Center dome light, rear lights right here, reading light, and then these two buttons right here are going to be part of your Mercedes Me Connect app, which is your concierge service. So you can make dinner reservations, ask for directions, stuff like that, and then your emergency SOS buttons right here. Hopefully you never have to use that. And that should be about everything. If you guys have questions, my phone number is 513-520-9753. If there's anything you need, just give me a shout.